Hi, I'm Nikun Stoke from Sri Satyasai Vidya Vihar, Grade 10. I'm from the Soda team Preboard Codes, here to present our solution for the problem statement 6, EA subtitle generator for Reels. So according to the problem statement, about 85% of social media videos are watched on mute. So creators who add subtitles usually get 25% more watch time. But adding subtitles by hand is a tedious process and is very repetitive. So we developed this application named Titly, an AI subtitler. In this application, videos can be subtitled by just uploading them as demoed now. So this is how the web interface looks like. As I'm not logged in, I'm directly taken to the login page where I can sign up myself. I can click on create account, which would register me and take me to the dashboard automatically logged in. Here I can list files or also upload new files. And because I just registered an account, I get an email saying that my account has been registered. And then I also get an email that someone has logged into my account because it automatically logs you in. Here from the upload files, I can upload a new file and click on upload file. So it usually takes a while to upload due to the slow internet speed. But now I can go to list files and see that the subtitling has started. It usually takes up to uh, 3 minutes to subtitle a 30-second file because it's currently being run on a very low uh, powered server. And when it finishes, you'll receive an email saying that the file has finished subtitling. Then you can go to the subtitled files and you can download the file. So now, as you can see,
This is a short story of Dushahra, also known as Vijaya Dasham. Mahishasura prayed to Lord Brahma and gained powers. After getting his
these subtitles were not there in the original, as I can show here.
This is a short story of Dushahra, also known as Vijaya Dasham. Mahishasura
And and if you have your email in the uh, Spring Boot configuration for the administrator email, for the first time the server has started, you'll get an email saying that a user with this username and this password has been created with the topmost privileges, which is the CMS admin. So now I can log out as this user and log in as the CMS admin user. And now as the admin, I have the privilege to see the users registered. I can change their password and other information. I can also delete the user. This application has been built using multiple languages. HTML, CSS and JavaScript for the website, JavaScript for the port forwarding layer, and Java and Python for the backend. For the transcription of human language, the Whisper model by OpenAI has been used. This system diagram is like this, with the Cloudflare and pray it, making up the port forwarding layer. Java, Spring Boot, Flask, Python, MySQL, and Nginx making up the backend. So in a production application or environment, the port forwarding layer made up of the Cloudflare worker and the Pray application would not be required. Because in a production application, there are other several ways to port forward. But in a home network like mine, the ISP, in this case Airtel, does not provide us with the tools to do port forwarding. So it had to be done this way, but this increases latency by a lot. So I would like to end this video by saying that this project can be found on GitHub and you can get a live demonstration at the same URL presented here. Mind you, this application is going to be slow, the live demo, because it's being hosted on a very old platform and H61 motherboard with an i5 processor with just 16 GB of RAM and a hard drive with only 5 megabytes per second throughput. And on top of that, it's going through two proxy layers, so it's going to be slow. Pre-boot codes has been a place where, in spite of pre-boards, I've been able to demonstrate my talent. Signing off, Nikunj.